Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add documents to HubSpot CRM. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's features and tools. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options listed there. From this menu, click on Sales. This will expand a submenu with additional options related to your sales tools and activities. From that submenu, go ahead and click on Document. This section is specifically designed for managing all your files and documents within HubSpot, making it easy to organize and share important materials with your team or clients. Now that you're in the Documents area, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button that says Upload Document. Click on this button to begin the process of adding a new file to your HubSpot CRM. This is where you'll be able to bring in documents from various sources. After clicking Upload Document, a new window will appear presenting you with several options for where you want to upload your document from. You'll see choices including your computer, existing file in HubSpot, Dropbox, Google Drive, or Box. This flexibility allows you to pull documents from wherever you currently store them, making the process convenient and efficient. Each option connects to a different source, so you can choose based on where your document is currently saved. For this example, we're going to click on your computer. This option allows you to upload a document that's stored locally on your device, which is the most straightforward method if you have the file already downloaded. Once you click on your computer, your system's file browser will open up. Now you'll need to navigate through your folders to locate the specific document you want to upload. Take your time browsing through your files until you find the right one. Once you've found it, click on the document to select it, and then click Open or the equivalent button on your file browser to confirm your selection. After you've selected your document, HubSpot will begin the upload process. You'll need to wait for a moment while the file transfers to your HubSpot CRM. Depending on the size of your document and your internet connection speed, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. You'll typically see a progress indicator showing you how much of the upload is complete. And that's it. You've successfully added a document to your HubSpot CRM, making it accessible for your sales activities and team collaboration. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.